I'm going to go over a cheat sheet on properties. So starting out with the commutative property. The commutative property is stating that if we move or change the numbers around, the product will still be the same. So this is with multiplication or addition. An example of this would be that 7 plus 4 equals 4 plus 7. Or 7 times 4 equals 4 times 7. Moving on to the associative property. This states that changing the grouping, so this one is regarding the grouping. You're always going to have the same product, or it doesn't change the product. So 9 times 6 times 2 is the same as 9 times 6 times 2. Or 9 plus 6 plus 2 is the same as 9 plus 6 plus 2. We also went over that identity property, and that is just saying that any number plus 0 is itself, or any number times 1 is itself. And then last, we went over the distributive property. Sorry, the stylus isn't really working today. And this is stating that when you distribute the numbers, you will always have the same sum. I'm going to erase that. So A, B plus C is the same as AB plus AC. A lot of kids have learned this as the rainbow property, or maybe the mailman distributing the mail. It's important to note that often students get the associative and distributive property mixed up because both of them often have parentheses, and so that can throw them off. But we just want to emphasize that the associative property is changing the grouping, whereas the distributive property is distributing the numbers out. So A times B is AB, A times C is AC. All right, thanks.